Hi folks, Paul Spica with Kelly Sport here for the Kelly Sport Academy. It's fall, y'all. It's getting colder. Every year we get a few phone calls. Why is my outboard smoking? And I want to save a few people some heartache and headache in explaining what's actually going on there. Number one, you probably don't have anything to worry about. What we're looking at is water smoke or steam. To determine that, does it smell like something is burning? If that is the case, you want to pull that kill switch and get away from the boat immediately. But 99.9, what's happening is the exit water for the cooling system, the tattletale, is taking hot water, it's evaporating, and then that's condensing into steam, and it makes what looks like a big cloud of smoke there on the water. Nothing to worry about. That means the cooling system's doing its job. Some older outboards, 2-strokes, they're gonna burn oil, so they naturally do smoke a little bit, but pretty distinctive, and if you have one, you typically are very well aware of that. So basically, if it's cold outside, you're probably gonna see some fog or steam right around those outboards as they fire up and heat up, and they're actually cooling that exhaust. So I hope that answered some questions for folks, shared lights on how that cooling system works on an outboard 4-stroke engine, and we will see you on the water soon.